Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and as well as doing my own channel called Save with Crypto, I am doing the daily live stream on the Stochastic indicator channel. That's why Dave Stochastic is away on holiday. I think he's away until the 22nd of July, so I'm attempting to do every day. So I'm going to do 1 p.m. UK time until 3 o'clock during the week. At the weekends, I'm not sure exactly what I'll do. I'm only going to do an hour on Saturday and maybe 1 hour on Sunday. I think I'll try and keep to the actual, the similar kind of times. So maybe like 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon and maybe the same on Sunday. Although I am tempted to move those ones a little bit later, maybe into the evening. If that is preferable for any of you, then please do let me know, and I will adjust accordingly. I mean, we only get like 20 or 30 people maximum there, so whatever people decide they want, I can probably work around that. Obviously, to keep the YouTube algorithm happy, it's better if you do it at the same time every day, so I will try and stick to that if I can. Anyway, so yesterday I was looking at Bitcoin and I said this. I have, in addition, drawn this trend line here. This is on the 50-minute time frame, and I think we've got a touch point there. And I was looking at a touch point there, touch point there, touch point there, touch point there. So I think that is a fairly valid trend line, and we have broken out this morning, which is amazing. In true Bitcoin fashion, I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like go up to this block pro line here at 109,560, and then maybe come back and do a retest, maybe even down to that orange line there, and then go back up. I mean, something like that will not surprise me. Now, what did happen was pretty much exactly that, although it happened a bit faster. So, we went up to the level I was talking about. We came back down pretty much perfectly to the level that Block Pro had pointed out down here. Block Pro is a trader who is in cryptosavingexpert.com. He's amazing. But anyway, it came back down to his level, and then we just shot right up. So that was brilliant. So it didn't quite go as slowly as I thought, but it did do what I expected. That said, it went a little bit higher than I thought. Now, we did actually achieve a new all-time high. I think it depends which exchange you look at, but this is the Blofin chart, and you can see that it maybe went up to about 111,963, and we just popped over 112 yesterday, which is amazing. Now, of course, because I was on the Stochastic stream, I was using the Stochastic indicator, and it has actually been amazing, really, because it went green. This background went green on the 1 hour time frame on Tuesday the 8th. So that's Tuesday this week, wasn't it? When the price was around something like 108,300, 108,200. That kind of price, and clearly we're at like 111,224 now. So we have gone up one hell of a lot. Now at the moment, Stochastic's momentum oscillator is banging on the top side here, just like it did back here. So that could imply that that is pretty much a top for now. But let's just go back to the Quadzilla indicator that we use on this channel. This is our own free indicator, which is available from savewithcrypto.org/QR, and it looks like this. Okay, so what we can see here is like these green backgrounds here on the momentum oscillator. These usually signify a bottom, and that was a pretty good one there on Monday, down at like 107,485. So that's been brilliant. At the moment, we've not actually got a topping signal like what you get here. You see these like red backgrounds there. I would expect to see something like that near the top, or even one of these red super down arrows. But at the moment, we haven't got anything like that, so there might be still some more upwards movement. Now then, it is worth joining our free Telegram group, because you do get, amazing things like Math here. Math is the guy who's helping me with the Quadzilla indicator, and he pointed out a few minutes ago that there's a bull pennant forming on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. So from here, we can either go up or go down. If we go down, we'd actually come down and probably retrace this candle entirely and come back down to sort of 109,600. Or we could go up, and then we're looking at the length of that flagpole going upwards. Let's just go back to TradingView to see what that would look like. Okay, so you see the pennant is kind of like here, which should break out in the next hour or so. And if that was to break out to the upside, the length of that flagpole is something like that. So that would go up there, giving a kind of breakout target of something like 114k, which would be pretty amazing, wouldn't it? Or if it comes down, we just long it on the way back up again. That's my plan. Now, today is quite action-packed because at 11 a.m. UK time on Crypto Saving Expert, you've got Spud talking to Block Pro himself at 11 o'clock. I'd very much suggest that you do watch that. It's probably going to follow on from when you're watching this. So, do check that out. Then I'll be on the Stonksy live stream at 1 p.m. UK time, and then this afternoon at 4:30 UK time, I'm going to do a live stream with Math the Coder, and we'll be talking about some amazing things that he's noticed with the Quadzilla indicator. And I will just give you a sneak preview of what we're going to talk about. It's this bit here that he said one of the things I'm planning on talking about would be this new Quadzilla retracement pattern. I posted about it in Telegram the other day. Looking at it now, it actually called Bitcoin's new all-time high on the 1 hour yesterday in a sort of giga-long from yesterday. He did say that he missed it because he didn't realise at the time, but it's something we should be looking out for in the future. So if we can predict all-time highs, that's going to be pretty special, isn't it? If you like the sound of that, please do give the video a big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And above all, tell your friends.
I can't believe that Save with Crypto and Math have chosen to make the quad rotation stochastic indicator in the United Kingdom rather than the United States. But they have clearly lost their minds because they are not even selling this great product. They are giving it away for free.
Okay, so we all know that Save with Crypto is the best YouTube channel on the planet, but it's not financial advice, right? So please do your own research and be responsible for your own actions. That way you will find that fairy tales will come true and we'll all become billionaires.